are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. So I'm really zoomed in today because we're going to try out something. I've got my daughter back here, so you might hear her. Recently I tried the Holograve Cosmetics Primer. But before I got that, I got this Louise one. And I hadn't tried it yet. So I had a comment on one of my videos asking how I liked it. And I was like, maybe I will do a video about it. So today we're going to try out this Louise blank canvas primer, and I got it in the shade Rumour 02. It was in a black packaging online, and then when I ordered it, it came in pink. So I'm a little sketch. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to compare these two primers. I'm going to do one eye with one primer, one eye with the next. So, but this one is just about the Louise one to try it out. I got my hair braided so I could keep it out of my face. So it comes out just in a tube thing. I'm gonna squirt it on my hand. Alright. So this is a good shade. The Holograve Cosmetics one, I had gotten it in a white shade so that I could make my colorful looks pop a little bit more. Ooh. Oh, this is thick. Whoa, girl. Well, I've never used this one because for years I used the MAC Painterly paint pot, and I've recently wanted to branch out and try new things. This freaking blends in with my skin tone insanely well. I got a little bit right here, but look at that. I can just boom. Oh my god, it blends in so freaking well. And I'm using a Morphe M173 brush. This is a concealer brush, I think. I've been using it for my eye primer because it's a really densely packed brush, and I feel like I get a good application of eye primer with this thing. Is it cruelty free? Yes, it's cruelty free. That's probably why I ordered this literally a couple months ago. I think I even ordered it back before I even had my appendix out, and that was in September. It's been sitting on my desk waiting to be used. There's the primer on. I feel like it matches well with my skin. I've been using this palette a lot lately, so I'm gonna go for it. I don't know what shades I'm gonna do. I've been using this bottom row a lot, so I'll probably just kind of throw something on real quick. Oh my god. Alright, so I will say real quick, I have not seen my eyeshadow this smoothly blended out in a long time. I feel like it just, look at that. It's just so smoothed out with almost no effort. Alright guys, so I got the rest of my makeup on. Let me let you guys see. So this is with the Louise. I literally just kind of threw something together. I don't know, just something. I ended up taking my contacts out because they were getting on my nerves really bad. And it's my fault. They're monthlies, and I've had them for 2 years. But it's my fault. So there's the Louise primer. It feels insanely comfortable, and the blending, I swear to god, it was minimal effort, and it looks freaking stunning. Now this has me really hyped up to do a I don't know, a really extravagant bold look, because I think that'll be a lot of fun. I just kind of kept it on the download today, but I think I'm gonna do another look, just a voiceover with something wild, because I think that'll be really fun, so we can really see the difference between a minimalistic look and then an extravagant look. But yeah, I'm really excited for this so far. I think I kind of like it more than the Holograve one, but we haven't done the comparison yet, so I can't really say much. So anyway, you guys will see me here soon Well, it'll be a second for you. It'll be whenever for me. I don't know. Oh, so yeah. See you. Alright guys, ignore the spots on my face. I'm about to cover them with makeup. It's just like I'm really dry right now. I'm going to do a follow-up to a video that I started and was looking back through my footage and realized I just didn't finish. So, this P. Louise eye base, let me start putting this on, or like let me clip my hair back out of the way and we're going to talk about this, okay? Be right back. Alright guys, I've done my makeup and all that's left to do is my eye makeup. Let's see how it does today because I don't know if it's something I'm doing wrong or what. Let me just show you guys. So there's the product. Let me take some and put it on the lid. And see, I've got a pretty like good coat of it, so I've got a nice base for my eye makeup. After I got this, I didn't really wear my makeup for a couple weeks because when I would do my makeup, my eyes were like watering uncontrollably. And I'm like, what the freaking heck is happening? I didn't know if it's this product, because this is like really the biggest thing that's changed, and it's like in my immediate eye area. So I didn't know if like I still don't. But I did my makeup last today. I mean my eye makeup, and everything else didn't bother my eyes. So like I don't know. But see, look at my crease right here, like where my like eye like folds. Like that's what we're gonna keep an eye on because that's the problem area I'm having. So I am just gonna be using this like palette. Like I'm not doing anything like crazy. I'm just kind of throwing some makeup on here, literally just as soft as possible because I want to show you guys what's up. When I first got this primer, I really enjoyed it. I liked it. I thought it was doing well. And the last couple of times I've used it, it's not lasted at all. Like it looks like I just didn't put any primer on. And I don't know if it's something I'm doing wrong or what. It's already really late. It's like almost 8 o'clock at night, so I'm not going to be able to like show you guys really an update. I will at the end because I'm filming a couple more videos after this. So after I get some videos filmed, I will show you guys the end of those. But I'm just like putting a soft little eye look on. But I'm having a really hard time with this eyeshadow, and I mean this eye primer, and I don't know if it's something that I'm doing. I'm gonna film a couple of videos and then I'm gonna check back in with you guys and show you how the primer is done. And right now it's 7:48, so we'll see what time it is when I get everything finished, and I'll check back in with you. Be right back. I did not give this long enough to work. It's like 8:42, so it's been like an hour. I promise you, it always looks worse by the end of the day though. Like, I've been having it, I guess my oils separate. You can kind of see like the line where my crease is. The oil's been like separating right there. And there's been a couple of times where I've left work and it doesn't even look like I put like eyeshadow on because it's just gone. Like, it's like not lasting like I feel like it should. I don't, like, again, I don't know if that's a me problem or what, but of course the one time I'm trying to document and show you guys what it's been doing, it's gonna actually look good. I'm so annoyed. I mean, I want this product to work. Like, it was working so good the first like 2 or 3 weeks, and then it stopped working. And then I had that problem where when I was doing my makeup, my eyes were just watering uncontrollably and I could not figure out what was doing it. But I don't know. Today, of course, it's gonna be working. Oh. Anyway, I might do a check-in again. I might not. I don't know. If I don't, you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!